How to make $10,000 a day inside of your business by getting new high-ticket clients from Instagram. That is what we're going to be covering in today's video, and we're going to break down everything step by step by step. But the most important piece to be able to do this is Hey, what's up, online sales? Welcome to a new video, and today we're going to break down everything step by step on how you can make $10,000 in just one single day, all by utilizing your phone and Instagram. And this applies even if you have a small following. Right here, what we're going to do is break down absolutely everything of what we have, the Profit Diamond Framework, on step number 1. And this is actually part of our free case study training that we exclusively give to a few select people. So if you want to see the entire thing, there's going to be a link down below, the very first link there, so you can check out the entire training and case study. Is a very short 20-minute video. But let's just get started. And then after this first portion of it, I'm also going to give you a little secret trick that I literally only give to the clients that pay us to work with them inside of our agency. So let's just get started. Excuse me for seeming rushed, but I want to make sure that you know you are exactly in the right place. If you're a coach, consultant, personal brand, or expert, you are about to see over the shoulder how I ditched the old school webinar, low ticket funnel, $997 or $497 offer, and how I did over $2 million organically before ever launching an ad with a very simple 30-second video recorded with my phone and uploaded to Instagram stories. And the craziest part is that I scaled that very quickly to a 7-figure run rate in just 90 days by ditching my low ticket offer and webinar and turning it into a very simple high ticket and high converting offer. You can see my Stripe account right here, nearly $1.2 million. Here's another Stripe account for another business we have with $100,000 in just 90 days. Here's another payment processor for another business we have with a daily cash collected in the last 24 hours, the last week, and the last month. And this is the reason why you probably have seen this. Instagram has become the #1 social media platform in the world and the #1 tool that has helped businesses go online, make money even during the pandemic. Now, what does this tell you? As Bill Gates says, if your business isn't on the internet, your business will be out of business. And today in this short 20-minute training, you're going to see how to do this for your new or existing business / personal brand, and how everyday business owners like these you see right here are taking advantage of the new and truly explosive business opportunity with only their phone, and how you can get these results for yourself, but most importantly, how me and my team can help you get these results for you, even if you have never had any type of high ticket marketing, sales, technical experience, or a big following, and how in the next 60 to 90 days you can be on track to be one of our biggest client success stories. You can see right here how we helped one of our clients, John, launch his new e-commerce consulting agency to over $21,000 collected in profit in just 7 days organically and with less than 400 followers. And this was, by the way, in the middle of the pandemic. But before we get into all the goodies, I want to tell you what this training is not. This isn't another sales pitch. You literally can't buy anything on this training. Even if you want to, it is not possible. This is literally just to show you what Instagram is capable of and how it has changed my life and literally hundreds of our clients. This is also not going to be some 2-hour long presentation where I tell you my life story and where the presenter brags about their achievements for an hour. I'm just going to get straight to the point and deliver the content you came for, and why Instagram is the best opportunity that has ever existed for real entrepreneurs to build and scale an online business with their personal brand. I'm going to show you my exact process to create very simple 30-second videos that will create high ticket deals, the exact script I'm using, the exact process and system I'm running, the funnel I'm using, and my exact strategies I'm using to scale even further. Everything that is responsible for all these sales. And I'm going to do it in just 20 minutes. This is a very short video. And if you make it until the end of this video, I'm going to deliver a full $1,000 course for you to watch on your own time. This is a full course that walks you through my entire Instagram growth strategy and shows you exactly how in just 7 days I set up everything that has allowed us to grow to millions of followers across multiple pages, accounts, and niches for myself and our client. And to make this even more fun, we're going to be giving away one of these that you see on the screen right now. But to have the chance of winning this plus the $1,000 course, you have to stay until the end of this training. We will send you an email if you win to the email you used to register today, but only if you stay until the end of this short video. Because let's face it, if you can't watch a short 20-minute video training that has changed hundreds of lives and has the real potential to change yours, you probably are never going to build a successful online business. And finally, this only applies to you if you are a real business owner, expert, coach, personal trainer, service provider, entrepreneur, and have a personal brand, or you're an agency owner. Here are some of our clients that I just got done working with this on. Hansel was stuck not getting clients for his relationship coaching business because he had a small following and he thought he needed a big audience in order to do that. Now here he is after he started working with me and did $11,000 in less than 24 hours with just one single Instagram story video that took him literally 15 seconds to make. Here's Jess. She was struggling to get new clients as a service provider and a business coach, and she has never used Instagram in this way. And her very first time applying what you're about to learn in this video, in 45 days she made over $54,000 in profit with a very small following as well. Here's another one of our clients, Rafael. He had less than 1,000 followers when we started working together, and he had never used Instagram nor sold high ticket before, even though he was already an experienced business owner. And he was able to come in, grow his following, and make $133,000 in sales in just 60 days. 60 simple, short days. This isn't a 2-year process. This is just 60 days. And these are just some of our success stories from the hundreds of client success stories that we have. Now, quick but big warning. All these success stories are from real business owners, okay? They have already a business and a personal brand. This is who this training is for. If you are a beginner and you have never built a business or had a business, this really won't work for you. This is for professional business owners who have a personal brand only, okay? Now, I am not suggesting you're going to get these exact results because those results are not typical. But again, that is why I'm an Instagram sales and marketing veteran, and I have years of experience in the space and e-commerce. And now, I know what you're probably thinking. Is Josue and his team some sort of scam? How do you know who has the best intentions and who wants to waste your time and money? So I'm just going to address this straight up right now and show you why this is the farthest thing from a scam. What I learned after having a successful online business for years is that scammers and people who have poor quality programs generally have little to no social media presence, okay? And have never worked with renowned brands and like to hide in the shadows. So I'm going to break down all proof why I have your best interest at heart and my proven track record. I have become the go-to guy for a lot of huge personal brands and companies who have been clients of mine, like Russell Brunson, ClickFunnels, Gary Vee, Grant Cardone, Alex Becker, Kevin David, Lady Boss, and countless other 7, 8, and 9-figure brands and entrepreneurs. We have also helped and have over 10,000 entrepreneurs and business owners in our Facebook group, over 50,000 people on just one of our Instagram accounts. We own over 20 million followers on Instagram across multiple pages, including the biggest art page on Instagram called Daily Art with over 9 million followers. We have been able to get hundreds of thousands of views on YouTube. I am verified on Facebook and on Instagram, have been featured multiple times on entrepreneur.com, Huffington Post, Forbes, won multiple 7-figure awards, and have spoken on stages multiple times in front of hundreds of people. On top of this, we have hundreds of testimonials, reviews, and success stories that are all public, and you can go check them out right now at onlinecos.com/reviews. And you can see that we have a ridiculous track record that literally no one in the industry has. Now, the most important part is that I'm nobody special. I'm just a regular guy born and raised in a Puerto Rico country where English is not even my first language, Dominican Republic, who desperately wanted to live life on his own terms without a 9-to-5 as an engineer that he hated, and was lucky enough to stumble upon Instagram and figure out how to build a high profit online business with it. So if we were scamming people, we will not have this insane, almost movie-like result that we have for ourselves and our clients. The cool part is that we have done this in multiple niches, even in the languages. We have done this for real estate, lawyers, doctors, dentists, consultants, coaches, personal trainers, personal brands, e-commerce, info product creators or course creators, SaaS companies, agency owners, professional service providers, and other high-ticket products and services. So I know that this can also help your business as well. And that is why what I have for you here today is such a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, because right now, Instagram, in the way I'm about to show you, is such a blue ocean. That means if you're able to get your business on Instagram, you're able to enjoy a huge chunk of the pie that you aren't really going to be able to enjoy anywhere else while making your brand famous. Look at what this has done for many personal brands, e-commerce brands, and influencers like Kylie Jenner, who grew her company valuations into the billions of dollars. There are even lesser known brands like Snow or Fit Tea that have generated tens and tens of millions of dollars just selling teeth whitening and supplements. Long story short, this is where you want to be at, and I want to share you the absolute key with you right now. So let's just get started. These are the 4 pillars to running a very successful high-ticket online business and personal brand with Instagram. If you're able to grab these concepts, you're going to do extremely well. And the reason why most people don't do well on Instagram is because they don't understand these key things, because they're trying to bring over the strategies from other platforms and they don't convert well on Instagram. So the most important thing here is your offer with your fishing angles, and they both need to be on point. It has to grab people and it has to be formulated in a very specific way. Look at this video I have showing on the screen right now. This is literally just a 30-second video ad filmed from my phone selfie style, but I'm using a very specific script that I've used for years over and over and over again. And this is one of
my best performing posts, or what we call phishing angle. This very simple video generated tens of thousands of dollars in sales. A few key things to this phishing angle is that in the first 5 seconds of the video, you need to call out the problem that your target market has. Don't try to get everybody's attention, just call out your target market. Remember, the riches are in the niches. More importantly, you need to get your call to action in the next 20-30 seconds of the video. Do not try to talk for a long time. Do not try to make a long form video. Your key is to get people from watching a 30-second video with your phishing angle to bite and slide in the DMs saying that they're interested in your offer. That's the format I've used for my offer and phishing angles over and over and over again, and has worked like crazy. And our clients have implemented this exact thing. For example, Dave right here went from zero, struggling to get leads and clients, to $19,000 in profit in just 30 days. And last month, he just crossed $40,000 in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic after being laid off as a bartender. And he simply did it by copying what I'm showing you right now on this video. Here's another one of our clients, Lady Boss. We helped them build their entire Instagram growth and monetization strategy. And after implementing this short 30-second videos, we were able to add $100,000 a month to her business organically from Instagram alone, plus grow her following 50,000 people in just 90 days. So again, this doesn't just apply to me, but to hundreds of our clients who have had success with our system. Now, one of the top questions that I get asked every day is, Josue, what is the key to building a successful online business with Instagram in just one sentence? And this is it. If you build the right offer with the right phishing angle, you can do basically everything else wrong and still build a successful online business with Instagram. That is how powerful Instagram is and what is such an incredible opportunity. Now, the problem is that creating the right offer with the right phishing angle isn't simple. It's hard, especially if you have never done it before. And you have never done it before, it's going to feel overwhelming to you, and you're going to second guess yourself and probably even quit. But what if a team of successful, proven rock stars could actually create your home run offer for you, and in doing so, will give that offer the absolute best possible chance of being successful? But not only that, what if the same team will also create and give you the marketing and sales systems for you to use on Instagram with all the influencers and network that promote you? And they will also create a world-class, fully optimized funnel for that offer to guarantee that you can actually get the maximum number of leads and clients on Instagram who want to buy your high-ticket product or service. Now, if those 3 things sound good to you, I'm going to show you exactly how you could be the next partner that our team will choose to create a home run offer with the exact marketing and sales process, and with a done-for-you, high-ticket, fully optimized funnel to be used to sell your product and services on Instagram.
Now that you know the entire first portion of the Profit Diamond framework that we have, now let me tell you a little secret that you can easily apply inside of your Instagram account right now. And this is called the 5-1-30. It basically goes like this: 5 people, 1 result, 30 days. So for example, if you're a fitness trainer, what you can easily do is have something where it's like, I'm looking for 5 people who want to lose weight and get shredded and have 6-pack abs over the next 30 days. Just DM me the word fitness and I'll get you over all the details. So if you're a fitness trainer, all you have to do is say that on Instagram stories like this, and you will be able to get people inquiring you and messaging you interested in your offer and what you have to sell. If you apply literally this first portion of the Profit Diamond framework, which is the offer piece, which I just showed you, and this 5-1-30, you can literally start getting new leads and closing clients just from DMs and getting them on the phone. And most importantly, if you have a high ticket offer, which you should be able to get easily to $10,000 in just one single day. In fact, this is exactly how we're able to do it and exactly how we are helping our clients do it as well. So if you would like to find out the rest of this Profit Diamond framework, step number 2, 3, and 4, and how we can easily apply it for you, completely done for you one-on-one, I'm going to put a link down below in the description where it's going to take a completely free case study training where we break down the entire Profit Diamond framework step by step by step, and the page looks like this. That way you can just know. All you got to do is put your email right here. It's going to send you everything that you need to know and send you the case study to your email right away. So just click the link down below in the description right now. Check the case study out, and you will be able to start closing more clients inside of your business just from this by utilizing your Instagram, even if you have a small following. So don't delay it. Go click the link down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button down below and that red subscribe button down below as well. That way you don't miss a single video that we put up right here on the YouTube channel, because we are all about helping you grow and scale your online business utilizing your personal brand, especially on Instagram, because that's what we do here at Online CEOs. So go, and I'll see you on the next one.